day 3 of the trial and excursion in Buhle Betfu, Mozambique, elangeni lanamuhla in one of the outskirts of Maputo. Lapho sifikele khona kanti ke sisedawuthi kuyinga lapha kulena ndzawo to see the beautiful views of this place. Siselwandle ke namhla ukhumbule ukuthi yona iMozambique isikhanyisa kakhulu kade ngama views ayo netindzawo telwandle lekuthiwa phecelezi ma-beaches. Mhlelweni lakho mbukeli unanompumelelo kaDlamini Sibongo kanti nanamuhla mbukeli sekulethela yona i-trial and excursion. Angithatha leli thuba lokubingelela ngiphinze ngombukeleke ehlelweni. Hlanganyela nathi mbukeli sitawubona ukuthi endaweni yaseMozambique khona eMaswati kanye ke nawo ama-South Africans besihamba nawo badawuthi how was their experience of this place.
First of all, we would like to thank you for coming to our country, especially in Mozambique, in the district of Matutwini. It's a great honor that we receive you here today.
I speak tourism. I love tourism, so being here is my first time, by the way, so I'm really excited. I was looking forward to beautiful waters, which is exactly what I got when I got here. The weather, phenomenal weather, gorgeous views, and that's exactly what I've gotten so far. I'm really excited to see the rest of the place and experience all the nice tourist sites and everything that speaks Mozambique, so very excited.
Lilanga lethu lekucala mbukeli lapha endzaweni yasePonto liphethe ngokuthi siye endzaweni lapho khona kunemingcelelo ohlukanisa lona live leNingizimu Afrika kanye nayo eMozambique ihlangana endzaweni yaseRichards Bay. Kanti kusuka lana mbukeli sesiya khona endzaweni yaseMaputo we are going to have a gala dinner sithole kumukeleka kulena ndzawo siphindze futhi sibe nato tindvuna tembuso takulena ndzawo.
I was bestowed the unique duty by the Mayor of Maputo, His Excellency Dr. Inez Laconce Commish, whom I represent, to warmly welcome all you to Maputo City, seat of acacias and jacarandas, on behalf of citizens of Maputo and on his own behalf. It's my belief that the Triland Initiative will promote the potential of culture and tourism products, as well as boost tourism in the region, thus contributing to the socio-economic development.
We came through in the morning, and as we drove through the beautiful city of I'll say Maputo, we had a wonderful experience. It was quite peaceful and tranquil, and it really was an absolute breath of fresh air. The reception we received since we came this morning has been overwhelming, and for that we do want to say obrigado, siyabonga kakhulu. I want to also extend my sincere thanks to the CEO of Inato, my colleague, for his leadership and for making sure that this dream that we've had for the past couple of months has become a reality, that of activating the Triland Agreement.
I must just confirm that as Mpumalanga, we are happy to be part of the Triland agreement or initiative. And as Mpumalanga, we have committed ourselves to make sure that the Triland agreement lives beyond the paper that it is written on. Practically, it becomes a lived reality for our people, both in South Africa, Mozambique, and Eswatini. And hence we have fully engaged in this excursion, which started on Monday when we went to the Kingdom of Eswatini, and now we are here. And we just hope and believe that the outcome of these excursions will practically be felt by our people, especially those who are engaged in the business of tourism.
traveling by a speedboat Mbugeli from the city of Maputo to Inhaka Islands, Loguyinzawo, sandwiched between Portuguese Island and Santa Maria. It's known as a marine reserve lapho khona bakhangisa khona nga their white sand beaches. Loguyinzawo Mbugeli lekhanga kakhulu kati tivakashi letibuya kuletinye tindzawo, especially because of the activities, the water activities that they have here. Ehlelweni lapho Mbugeli lenzi Buhle Betfu unonompumelelo akadlamini sibongo kanzi ke siku day 2 wase Maputo o Mozambique lapho khona solo sihambisana nayo E18 Mbugeli solo sivakashela tona tindzawo letingakhanga abantu kanzi nawo ama-tour guide operators ethu ayithokotela kakhulu lenzawo. Sesixoxisana nabo bantu lababuya even lakangwane kanye nabo lababuya South Africa kutova ukuthi bona what is their experience of this place and also what they experienced on the speedboat to this place.
From Nolutos, ngisuka eMbabane, eSwatini. So the experience thing as much as it was a very long day, but today we're having an exciting event by Sise Beach. All kinds of activities that in things that we're not normally used to in Eswatini, and let's see who I as the tour operators as Eswatini was to Elwan. Besides just the salty water and boat cruises, now we're experiencing new things that we never even knew before. It's kayaking. Kayaking, a canoe, but loishayelaning too. So to me that kungfunzise like usebenta in a group whereby let's coordinate and all that. And then like beach volleyball, which volleyball bengiyati, but now with the beach, with the sand and everything, it is way different than what we used to in Eswatini. And then yalungsayo kwenda leminye imidlalo.
I'm Raymond Shepherd. My wife and I own Ocean Echo Scuba Diving on Santa Maria Mashingulu Peninsula, and we take divers to the Nyaka Reef as well as out to sea to our series. So we can take people who haven't been trained, we can train them, we can take them for an experience dive, which is just an introduction to show them what scuba diving is all about, to see if they like it. And if they do like it and they want to go further, we can do a PADI open water diving course, which takes about 5 days, and that'll give you a certification that you can use anywhere in the world to go diving. So there's a theory portion that we do online these days, and there we teach you all the theory about diving. And then there's 2 days we do pool sessions where we teach you some skills to make you a safe diver. And then after that we take 2 days to take you to the sea and do actual dives, where we just check that the skills are, that you're comfortable doing the skills, that you've mastered them, and that we are comfortable that you're a safe diver. And once that's done, you do an exam online. And if you pass the exam, which is quite easy, it's a multiple choice exam, and then you qualify, then you get sent a certification which you can use anywhere in the world, and you can dive with any dive center. The things that you see on the surface are nothing compared to what you see under the water. So there are things under the water that you don't get on the surface, obviously fish, but we have all kinds of things. We have eels and rays and nudibranchs, crayfish. Obviously, everybody loves crayfish and prawns, but they live in the sea. So on diving, you can actually see all these things that you only either eat or hear about.
Kuningi kakhulu engilithandile mhla ngoba la sifike masifika nje siqale endaweni ekuthiwa Santa Maria le ku-island etholakala la eMaputo yase-Mozambique. So lengikuthandile ke lapha sifike kuma-activities la amaningi la bekakhona, from kayaks kuya ku-scuba diving kuya ku-snorkeling, so a number of activities yana ne-tubing lana ukuthi kube neskepe bese uyalandzela wena ngemuva ubambile, which was quite exciting. I did your snorkeling and it was quite amazing. I saw a number of species, the fish lapha enhle kakhulu. Lento zavele tibona lapha kumabonakude, so lana sibona lapha live and bengalesithola kakhulu la e-Thailand. I-Thailand isite kakhulu empeleni ngoba kwekuqala nje kontekile sikhonile ku-networker, asembekise nje itolo, we had your gala dinner lapho sikhona ku-networker nalamto futhi sitaba khona kahle kahle la mhla lenkulu kakhulu. Sitawukhona ku-exchange ama-business cards and what not. Lokunye ke lokuthi the fact that nje ubone abantu labatiko kahle kangcono, because thina nje bese ipackage asembekise nje la icon package lesinayo, but nyalo itolo experience into more exciting than it would have been even nje askaba bona la. So kuningi kakhulu ngisithe kakhulu kulo isithe kakhulu lo Thailand.
My name is Bemujis Soshaka from Santa Maria. I actually am a tourism operator. I want to talk a little bit about this area on Mashangulu and Santa Maria. Santa Maria, like if you look behind here, there's a big seaside, and this side on my side, it's a bay, and then also we're close to elephant reserve, which now come from Maputo Park. So we got animals and we got the sea and the bay around us. So you can have a good holidays on our area because it's actually a new area to be discovered with a lot of people that don't know yet. We've got a lot to do here. We got some canoeings, we got some dhow wrestlings, we got some scuba divings, we got some fishing, all of this. So it's a lot to do here in this area. Please, if there's anybody looking for great holiday, must come on our side.
Njengoba nibonile mbukeli ukuthi Day 2 of Maputo naye uphele ngayo speed marketing lapho khona ama-tour operators nato tindzawo tekukhangisa kuleli lalapha eMozambique betihlanganyele khona ukuthi they share whatever they have and things that they can package together to attract tourists into this country. Mbukeli mina ngithanzeni ngendzawo yaseMozambique. Kokucala nje ngithanze the speed boating from Maputo to Inhaka Highlands, and then I love the water activities also. Ngicabanga ukuthi lebekuhle kakhulu mbukeli kubona ukuthi kunengi leningakwenda in terms of imidlalo yemandi. Kanti ke lobekuhle kakhulu kubona ukuthi miningana imidlalo yemandi lengendiwa ngaphandle nje ukuthi kumbe sigibele yona emkhumbi. Indzawo lelandela kombukeli niyo indzawo yaseMpumalanga masuka la endzaweni yaseMozambique. Kanti ke lokho sidakubona everything leli tako masichubeka nayo i-Triland excursion yethu. Ihlelo lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu mbukeli bona yena Mpumelelo Dlamini anabo bonke labaqhaqita kulona ihlelo lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu sifisele bona kuphela lokuhle nethokoza lokuhle etinhlelo lakho lelithi